In this video, I will show how to add border in paragraph in Microsoft Word document. So guys, if you need to add borders in your old paragraph, so press Ctrl A, then Home tab. Now click on this border option, select all borders. Now wait for a few seconds, click on View and select Vertical. So as we can see, all paragraph has a border. Here you can see the preview for all pages. If any border is missing, so Control A, Home tab and select here all borders. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel.